Western Belize is known for spectacular Maya temples, exciting nature activities, and the best horseback riding experience in Belize. With St. Leonard's Tour's new Experiential Horseback Riding Tour, you'll be able to experience Belize's western countryside that will let you see Belize's natural beauty in a new and refreshing perspective.
Ready?
Hi everyone, I'm Angela from Belize.com and I am at St. Leonard's Farm at San Lorenzo. I am with Miss Carla today. Can you tell us what we're doing?
Hi Angela, welcome to St. Leonard. We have already completed the first phase of this experiential riding tour with St. Leonard. This is the second phase in which you get to ride on the actual farm tour. You have Elijah, who's going to be your horse. You're going to be riding and getting to practice a little bit on hand on what it is and takes to riding on tour.
Well, I look forward to the tour and this will be my horse then. The first phase was to learn how to prepare and saddle our horses. Once that's done, we mounted our horses, got comfortable, and we're ready for the ride. The view was already amazing. Immediately after we started our trail, we could have spotted the highest point of El Castillo, which is the second tallest man-made structure in Belize. This trail took us through the countryside that featured tropical jungles and the Mopan River as we learned about various trees, herbs, and the history of the area.
See how all the little tree trunks or stems, as we call them, they're almost bare of no leaf. The leaf cutterans have done that. They do a house cleaning both underneath and above. But the whole circumference that you can see above, their home is actually 10 times or bigger than this whole area.
Wherever we went along the trail, we were overlooked by the majestic temple of El Castillo from Sanantinich. What are your plans this summer? This tour is perfect for family and friends. Find this tour on Belize.com and let's go Belize.